we go. Intent service. Hold in. Take your finger off, it opens back up. Sometimes hard to do. We're going on the second floor. Now see, there's the air. It goes out as soon as we open up. See, the door's open. Now, all calls are sent to the other elevator. Now we're gonna go back up to 3. Here's the key switch. It takes the Innovation EX513 to put it in intent service. There's an annoying fan on. You're at 3rd floor again. Now we'll go back down to the 2nd floor. Then you can take your finger off the door close button. These are rockets. Alright, now I'm gonna go back to 3 one more time and take it out. Wait, open. Look. Notice how the air comes on as soon as you push the button. This is a Montgomery Kone. Go up again. Alright, I'm gonna take it out of the intent service. Now I'm back in group service.
And that's it?